Hi everyone, this video is the last video of our regex tutorial series, and I'm going to mark the end of the regex tutorial series with a regex tester that you see on the screen now. This regex tester allows you to test your regex pattern on the go, and this is a script from this website that you see up here. And so if you're interested in this topic, please continue watching. Alright, welcome back. So let me get out of the script and rerun it. This script is available on this website. That's the original, and the one that you saw now is an updated version available on this URL, or you can also find the script on my website as well. So let me go ahead and run it, and you'll get a GUI like this. In this GUI, you provide the haystack and the regex pattern, and then you're going to be seeing the result in this read-only edit field down here. Now, so let me just feed a random string here, and I'm also going to put in a random regular expression like this. And so as soon as I populate this field here, you see the result showing up telling me the found pass, which is the result of the regex match function, and the match is Tuesday, which is this one here, which matches choose and then the day at the end, and so on and so forth. So this is the basics of how it's used, and you can also use the Regex Replace up here, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So let me just go back to Regex Match, and I'm going to update the string to this one, and this time let's see what happens if I type in ipsum, and I get a match found at the 41st position within the string, and the match is ipsum. And notice how here it gives you the starting position where you can update it to something else, say 42, then it's going to go ahead and start from that position to search for the next match, which I think it might be this one. All right, and you can also put in, if I do lorem, right, I get a match, but let me just update this back to 1. But if I change this to all small letters lorem, I'm not going to find any matches. As you can see here, the found pass is 0, meaning there's no match. You can put in then your option to make the case sensitivity switched off, and therefore you get a match where the L starts with a capital letter. All right, so that's how you use this tool for regex match. Regex replace is very similar, so let me just type in the same string of text, and then what I'm gonna do in here is I'll put in the some regular expression. Let's say I'm going to look for a word character, and say I'm going to look for a word character that shows up 3 times in a row, and then I'll replace this with a star sign. And this looks ugly, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to replace all the words that have 3 letters in them. So that one, and then there's nothing else here. Here's another one here. So I'm going to try and replace all these words with 3 characters with a star sign. So in order to do that, I'll just put in a space character in the beginning and also another space character at the end, and therefore I can see the word "and" in here has been replaced with a star sign, and there's no space. I'll put in a space here as well, and so it looks a little bit nicer. So this is how you can use the regex replace function as well, and you can test the regex or regular expression or the regex pattern on the go like this. So this is very easy compared to had you written this out in your AutoHotkey script and ran it yourself time and time again. Let me just show you another example which uses a multi-line string, and as you can see, you have the word line replaced with the star sign like that. Okay, so this is how you use it. Give it a go if you want to quickly test your regex patterns and see the results straight away. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.